Hello and welcome back to Everyday English Talk, the podcast where you practice simple English for real life. I'm Anna.
And I'm Ben. Thanks for joining us today.
Think about your day for a moment. You use the internet at home, at school, at work, or even on the bus. Maybe you check messages, watch videos, or shop online.
Yes, the internet is everywhere in our daily lives. But here's an important question. Do you ever think about your privacy when you go online?
Today, we're talking about online privacy, what it means, and how to protect your information.
Don't worry, we'll use simple English and easy examples.
You'll learn helpful phrases for talking about staying safe online.
And we'll also talk about some simple tools that can help you protect your information.
So, let's begin and learn how to stay safe online in everyday life. So Ben, before we talk about tools and habits, let's start with something simple. What is online privacy?
Good question. Online privacy means keeping your personal information safe when you use the internet. We all have things we want to keep private, our photos, our messages, and our passwords.
Yes. For example, when I send a message to my friend, I only want that friend to read it. Not a stranger, not a random person online.
Exactly. And when we log into our email or social media, we want our information to stay safe. Online privacy helps us control who sees what we share.
Many people don't think about privacy because the internet feels quick and easy. We tap, click, scroll, and sometimes forget that our information is going somewhere.
Right. But it's important. If we don't protect our information, someone could open our accounts or see things that are private to us. Even simple mistakes can create problems.
There's a simple idea we should explain: your digital footprint.
Yes, a digital footprint is the trail you leave online. When you post a photo, like a video, comment on a website, or even search for something, it all becomes part of your footprint.
It's like walking on the beach. Each step leaves a mark in the sand. Online, your steps stay for a long time.
That's why we should think before sharing. Something you post today might still be online years later.
Let's compare privacy to something in the real world. Ben, would you leave your house door open when you go outside?
No way. If I leave my door open, anyone could walk into my home.
Right. Online privacy works the same way. If we don't use strong passwords or if we share too much, our online door is open.
For example, imagine leaving your diary on the street. That's like posting very personal things online without thinking. Anyone can see it.
And just like we lock our doors in real life, online we lock our accounts by using strong passwords and keeping things private.
It's a simple way to stay safe.
Everyone makes online privacy mistakes, even us. Here's one from me. I used to have a very simple password, Anna, 123. Easy to remember, but also easy for someone to guess.
Oh no, did anything happen?
Luckily, nothing bad. But when I learned more about safety, I changed it. Now I use strong passwords with numbers, symbols, and capital letters.
Good move. I also made a mistake once. I checked my email on a school computer. I closed the tab, but I forgot to log out.
Oh wow, what happened?
The next day, someone told me, Ben, your email is still open. I felt embarrassed, but it taught me something important. Always log out on shared computers.
These stories show that privacy mistakes can happen to anyone. But the good news is, we can learn from them and do better.
Yes. Even small actions, logging out, using strong passwords, keeping things private, can protect your information. Let's learn some easy phrases.
Protect my information. Example: I want to protect my information when I go online.
Keep my account safe. Example: a strong password helps me keep my account safe.
Remember to log out. Example: I always remember to log out on public computers.
Keep things private. Example: I keep things private by not sharing personal details.
Use strong passwords. Example, I use strong passwords so no one can guess them.
These phrases will help you talk about online privacy in easy English.
So now that we understand what online privacy is, let's talk about something very helpful. Tools you can use to stay safe.
Yes. And don't worry, we'll explain everything in very simple English. You don't need to be a computer expert. These tools are for everyone.
Before we talk about special tools, let's start with daily habits. These are small things you can do every day.
First, don't share your password with anyone. Not even your best friend. Your password is like the key to your house.
Exactly. Keep it private. And second, always log out when you finish using a public or shared computer.
Yes. School computers, cafe computers, library computers. Always click log out before you leave.
Another simple habit, don't click on strange links. If a message looks weird or scary or it asks for your password, don't open it.
These small actions help you stay safe online every day.
Let's talk about our first tool, a password manager.
A password manager is like a safe box that lives on your phone or computer. You can put all your passwords inside it.
And the best part? You only need to remember one main password. The manager remembers the rest.
It also helps you create strong passwords that other people cannot guess.
That's great for forgetful people like me.
The next tool is two-step verification. The name sounds big, but the idea is simple.
Yes. Imagine your door has two locks. First, you use your key. Then you use a small number code. Two-step verification works the same way.
Step 1. You type your password. Step 2. You get a code on your phone.
So even if someone knows your password, they still can't enter your account without that second code.
It's a great way to keep your account safe.
Another helpful tool is the private window in your browser.
When you use a private window, your browser does not save your history, your logins, or your cookies.
It's like cleaning your footprints after a walk. Nothing is saved.
This is useful when you use a shared computer or when you don't want your information stored.
I use it when I check my email at a hotel or cafe.
The next tool is different browser profiles. Don't worry, this is simple too.
A profile is like having different rooms in your browser. You can have one for work, one for school, and one for personal things.
This helps you switch accounts safely without mixing everything together.
It also helps you keep work and home separate. When I use a different profile for work, I don't see my personal messages.
It keeps everything organized and private.
Let's share a few examples. I use a password manager to remember all my passwords. It makes me feel safe.
And I use a private window when I check my email at a friend's house. That way, nothing gets saved on their computer.
I also like using different profiles. One for work, one for shopping, one for social media.
And two-step verification helped me once. Someone tried to log into my account, but they couldn't because they didn't have the code on my phone.
Great example. These tools are simple, easy, and very helpful in daily life.
Before we continue, let's learn some useful phrases from this part.
First, switch accounts safely. Example, I use different profiles to switch accounts safely.
Next, a private window. Example, I open a private window when I use a shared computer.
Another one, a strong password. Example, a strong password helps keep my account safe.
And two-step verification. Example, I use two-step verification for extra safety.
Here's another one, keep work and home separate. Example, I keep work and home separate by using different browser profiles.
And one more, stay safe online. Example, these tools help me stay safe online.
These simple phrases are great when you want to talk about online privacy in easy English. Now that we've learned some tools and habits, let's talk about real life. Online privacy is not only for big situations. It's part of many small things we do every day.
Yes, and sometimes we don't even notice that our information might be unsafe. Let's look at a few common situations.
Many people use public Wi-Fi in cafés, airports, parks, or hotels. It's free, fast, and easy. But public Wi-Fi is often not safe.
Right. When you join a public network, someone else on the same Wi-Fi could see what you're doing. They might see the websites you open or information you type.
That's why I never check my bank account or important emails on public Wi-Fi. I only watch videos, read news, or chat about simple things.
Same for me. If I really need to log in somewhere private, I use a private window so nothing is saved. Or I wait until I'm at home.
A small choice like that helps you protect your information.
Another common situation is logging in on a friend's computer or even a school or library computer.
Yes, it's very easy to forget to log out. I remember one time, I checked my email on my cousin's laptop. I closed the tab, but I didn't click log out.
Oh no, what happened?
She told me the next morning, "Anna, your email was still open." Luckily, she's family and didn't touch anything, but that scared me a little.
I had almost the same experience. I logged into my social media on a school computer and walked away. A student came to tell me later, "Ben, your profile is open." I felt embarrassed.
These things happen to everyone, but they teach us an important lesson. Always check before you leave. One click keeps your account safe.
Online shopping is fun, fast, and convenient. But it also uses a lot of personal information: your name, address, phone number, and card details.
Yes, so we need to be careful. Always check if the website has a secure connection. Look for HTTPS at the beginning of the URL. The S means secure.
And never save your card number on a shared computer or a public device, even if the website suggests it. It's safer to type it each time.
Another tip: don't shop online when using public Wi-Fi. Someone on the same network could try to see your information.
Many people check email while drinking coffee in a cafe.
Yes, I do that too sometimes. It feels relaxing, but cafe Wi-Fi is usually public.
That means your connection might not be private. So, avoid opening important work emails or documents there.
If you must, you can use a private browser profile or at least a private window. It doesn't save your login or your history.
Let's talk about something very common: sharing a device at home.
Yes, many families share one tablet or one computer, especially if children also use it for school.
When everyone uses the same browser, your accounts can mix. Your search history, saved passwords, and cookies can all get confused.
That's why it's helpful to use different profiles. Each person can have their own space with their own logins.
And if you work from home, different profiles help you keep work and home separate. It keeps things more private and more organized.
As you can see, online privacy is truly part of everyday life.
Yes, and the good news is, small habits and simple tools can protect you. You don't need to be a tech expert.
Just stay aware, stay careful, and you can stay safe online.
Okay, everyone, it's challenge time. Let's practice listening, speaking, and writing.
Listen to this episode again. Can you find the answers? What is one danger of using public Wi-Fi?
Why should you log out on shared computers? What is one tool that helps keep your account safe? You can pause, repeat, and write down your answers.
Now, let's practice speaking. Repeat after us, or make your own sentences.
I use strong passwords. I stay safe online.
I log out after using public computers. I keep my information private.
Say them slowly first, then a little faster. Speaking out loud will help your English grow.
Finally, let's do some writing practice. Write 3-4 sentences about how you stay safe online.
You can answer these questions. When do you need online privacy?
What tools or habits do you use?
What do you do to keep your accounts safe?
Here's an example. I don't share my password with anyone. I use a private window on shared computers. I always log out when I finish. These habits help me stay safe online.
Now it's your turn. Write your sentences in your notebook or share them in the comments.
Great job, everyone. Today, we learned that online privacy is important in everyday life, at home, at school, at work, and even in a cafe.
We talked about simple ways to stay safe. Use strong passwords, log out on shared computers, avoid unsafe links, and use tools like private windows or different browser profiles.
We also shared real-life examples to help you understand when you need privacy, like using public Wi-Fi or shopping online.
Don't forget to try the listener challenge. Listening, speaking, and writing will help your English grow.
And remember, you can download the free PDF transcript to review today's episode.
Thanks for joining us on Everyday English Talk.
Stay safe online, and see you next time.